આજે શું કરવાનું હોય?
Wait for some time. Let me take the attendance first.
ઓકે.
મેઘાણી મેઘાણી
હુસેન
મેઘાણી
હેલો સર, આજે શું કરવાનું છે?
Beta, give me some time. Let me take the attendance
ઓકે સર, ઓકે.
and then we will start.
ઓકે ઓકે
And those who have written their
ઓકે
name
ઓકે
and roll number, please
ઓકે.
turn off your mic.
મેઘાણી
સોનાલી
હા
મેઘાણી
I'm repeating once again. All those who have given their name and roll number, turn off their mics, please.
એ મેઘાણી
તું કામ કરીને બોલો છો ઘડીએ ઘડીએ.
મેઘાણી ને બોલાય નહીં તું ભાઈ.
ગુડ આફ્ટરનૂન સર.
Good morning. Who is this roll number 24?
I am લાખાણી ફરાનલે.
Farhan, how many times do you want to send the message? It is only once that you have to send the message. Do not repeat the same message again
ઓકે
and
સર.
again. Okay, all those who are present, once again, very good morning. How are you all?
I am fine, thank you. Fine.
I'm fine.
I am fine.
Okay, for your information, let me tell you, this call is being recorded and be careful. No raising in this unnecessary discussions. If you want to say something, you can raise your hands one by one and we'll try to solve the problem. Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, one more thing. Uh, I hope you all have textbook with you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can we open our textbooks and turn on page number 246?
Sir, I don't have textbook.
Okay, if you don't have textbook, I'll send you
Yes.
the page photograph of a page. You can look at that page. We will be doing some sums here. I want all of you to look at very carefully.
સર लिखने का है.
No, you don't have
सर
to write. Just listen to what I'm saying.
सर कौन सा लेसन कराओगे? सर कौन सा लेसन कराओगे?
We were doing
સર
lesson number
સ્પીકિંગ
12.
ગુજરાતી નોટ ઇંગ્લિશ. સર આમાં લખવાનું નથી ને?
No, you don't have
No,
to
no,
write.
no, no.
You don't have to write. You just have to listen and see what I'm doing, right?
Okay.
Okay. First, I'll share the photograph in case for it is for all those who don't have textbook. They can look at the question which we are doing.
सर लेसन नंबर 11 के भी भेज देना ना। लेसन नंबर 11 पुराने लेसन किया बाकी से।
I have shared a photograph on the WhatsApp group. You can all look at that photograph. Exercise 12.4. We have already done question number 1, finding different patterns. Now we will be doing question number 2. Am I audible?
સર ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1 to 2 લખાઈ દીધા હતા.
यस
Okay, we will do the question number 2 once again for all those who have not done.
टीचर લખવાનું હતી ને.
No, you don't have to write. I will do it here. I will share the PDF. Just listen very carefully what I am doing.
સર વોઇસ સર અવાજ હરકો નથી આવતો.
Okay, now can you hear me?
ખોટું બોલ સર બરાબર જ આવે છે. બરાબર ખોટું બોલે ખોટું બોલે.
That's okay. There is no need for you to discuss. Now, are you able to hear me?
યસ સર યસ
Okay, if you look at your textbook or the page that I have sent, question number 2 states, first part is, I'm doing here, just have a look at it. Can you see this?
યસ સર 2n - 1
Okay, 2n minus 1. Now, in question, you are already given some answers. For example, if you place value of n is equals to 1, 2, 3,
सर राइटिंग बहुत छोटे दिख नहीं रहा अच्छे से.
okay, if you are, I'll write it once again. Value of n is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. What you have to do is, the question states, find the expression value of this expression, that is 2n minus 1. In place of n, first we will write 1. So if n is equals to 1, the answer would be 2, 1 minus 1. We get 2 minus 1. Answer is 1. This is the scenario when n is equals to 1. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what will happen if the value of n is equals to 2? The same thing, we will put the value of n is equals to 2 in this expression, 2n minus 1. 2, in place of n, we will write 2 minus 1. That is 4 minus 1, we'll get answer as a 3. Is it clear?
Yes.
Anyone has any doubt in it?
No.
Okay, we'll move with the second part of this question, which states value of n is equals to 3. Again, the same expression. We are going to use this expression in all these terms. That is 2n minus 1. We'll put the value of n as 3 to 3 minus 1. This is 3 2 is 6. 6 minus 1.
5. 6
5.
minus 1. 5.
It's 5. We got the answer. 6 minus 1 is 5.
1.
Now, again, one more. We have a value of n is equals to 4.
4.
Now the same expression again, 2n minus 1.
1.
2 in place of n we will write
4
4
minus
minus
1.
1. 4 twos are 8
8
minus 1.
minus 1.
We get answer.
7.
Now if you look at it very carefully, these numbers that we are using here, first we used 1 and we placed it 1 and we found the answer 1. Now we put 2 and
सर
we got the
फर्स्ट में
answer
तो n
3.
इज इक्वल टू 1 था ना सर
हाँ
फर्स्ट
तो
में
वही है.
n इज इक्वल टू 1 था ना
This is what we got the answer
फिर
1
नहीं
when we
सर
placed.
ऐसा नहीं सर फिर सेकंड में ना n इज इक्वल टू 3 आया है
We wrote n is equals to
सबने
2.
2
This is second. Can you see this part?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
N is equals to 2. Now we placed value of n is equals to 2 in this expression and we got answer as 3.
3
We used n is equals
Okay,
to
sir.
3 and we got answer
Answer
2
is
n
5.
minus 1 is equals to 3. 6 minus 1, 5. Now the second thing that we used was next digit. N
N
minus
is
1.
equal to 4 and 2n
We got
minus 1.
7.
2 into 4, 8. 8 minus 1, 7.
Now, if we make a table, listen here. Now, this is the point that I'm trying to explain. If we put a table here, we are putting n is equals to 1, and then we put n is equals to 2.
સર સ્ક્રીન થોડીક નીચે કરો ને નથી બતાતું.
Now, can you see?
બતાડો ક્લિયર.
4,
5,
5,
6.
Now, if we put the value of n is equals to 1, what was the answer that we got? 1? We got the answer? 1.
What?
If we put the value of n is equals to 2, what was the answer that we got?
3, 3, 3, 3.
If we
3.
put 3, what do we got?
5, 5.
4.
7, 7.
Now, what do you think the answer would be?
5.
9.
9, 9.
Understood?
Yes, yes.
There is a gap of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That's a pattern.
ઘડીએ સ્ક્રીન ની જાય છે. સર બતાય છે હરકી.
Now, do you understand what we are trying to find? N is equals to 1. Now, in your textbook, it is asked what would be the value of
Sir, ઘડીએ ઘડીએ
n is equals to 10 and n is equals to 100. Now, in your textbook, it is asked what would be the value of n is equals to 100, 10, and n is equals to 100. So, if you put the same question, 2n minus 1 here and 2n minus 1, can you guess the answer? What would be the answer? This one.
સર 2 is 10 minus 1.
Okay, 2 multiplied by 10
10
minus
minus
1.
1.
So 10 2 is 20.
20 minus 1.
So we get
19,
answer
19.
19.
19.
Similarly, we can try the second question also. Now we have to write 100 in place of n. So 2 multiplied by 100 minus
Minus
1.
1.
2 into 100?
1000, 2000, 2000.
What is 200?
minus
Minus
1.
1.
1.
199.
199.
Now let's take what would be the answer if n is equals to 1000.
1099.
We'll do it.
Sir,
One-
1099.
We will do it and try, see if it's correct. 2 into multiply by 1000 minus 2.
1998.
सर स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा
1990.
सर स्क्रीन क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा
तो स्क्रीन क्लियर है.
Now, can you see the answer? Have you got the 1999?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want all of you to take out your textbook. For those who don't have textbook, look at the page that I have sent on WhatsApp group and also your rough book. Take out your rough book, all of you now.
સર ફેર બુક માં લખવાનું છે
No, take out your rough book.
Sir,
સર હોમવર્ક બુક ઓલસો
Eh?
sir, question શું છે?
Okay, now I will write the question here. I want you to find the answer. Can you see this?
સર હરખું દેખાતું નથી
Yes, sir, see.
Now try to find the answer for n is equals to 5, 10 and 100. What would be the value of expression if you put 5? What would be the value of this expression if you put 10? And what will be the value of this expression if you put 100? Try to find out. Do it.
3n plus 2. Sir,
Yes.
અહીંયા 5, 10 and 100 કેમ આવ્યું?
It is a question.
Question. Okay.
Put the value of n.
17, yes, 17.
Okay, those who get the answer, please don't say it on the call. Wait, I'll do the answers and then I'll explain.
Sir, I don't understand.
Which part you have doubt?
Yeah, question. 3n plus 2 is not understand.
Okay, in place of n, you have to write 5 and then find the answer. Try for
Okay.
writing 5 first.
સર તોના તોના આન્સર મળી ગયા
Have you got the answer, all of you?
સર આઈ ગોટા સર મળી ગયો
Okay.
કહો
Sir, પહેલામાં 17, બીજામાં 32.
17 બીજામાં 32 ને ત્રીજામાં
Sir,
302
Okay, good. Now, all those who were trying, you can look at this answer sheet that I have done, this sum.
Yes, sir, right.
If we put the value of n is equals to 5, this is what we get. 3 5s are 15 plus 2, that would be 17. Those who, next question was, we have to put the value of n is equals to 10 in this expression. So 3 multiplied by 10 plus 2. 3 10 is 30 plus 2.
32
We got 32. Now, next question is 3n plus 2,
3n
same thing,
plus
but
2, m is
and
equal
we
to
have to write
100.
100.
100.
So 3 into 100 plus 2, we got 300.
100 plus 2.
Okay. I hope you have understood how to do it, right?
Yes, yes, understood.
Now we have one more expression.
Yes, yes.
We have one more expression, that is 4n plus 1.
So n is
Again.
equal to
We have to find the value of n is equals to
સર
5, 10
ક્વેશ્ચન
and
શું છે સર
100.
ક્વેશ્ચન
4n plus 1, this one. Now you have to find the value of n is equals to 5, 10 and 100. Try doing it.
સર એકમાં 21 એકમાં 41 ને એકમાં 401
Okay, if you get the answer, please keep it with you. Don't say the answer on the call. Let others do it.
મેસેજ માં કે
સર I have got 3 answer મળી ગયા
Okay, wait, I'll do it here also.
સર લખાઈ ગયા લખવાનું છે સર યસ લખવાનું છે
I told you to find the answers.
સર find answer
ફાઇન આન્સર કીધું છે પેલામાં 21 આવે બીજામાં 41 ને ત્રીજામાં 401
Okay,
400
I will do the answers here for all those who have got the answers. You can
204
check
આવે
your answers.
સર પેલામાં 21 બીજામાં 41 ને ત્રીજામાં 400
Okay, it's good that you got the answers. Let others also do the same question. Let others also complete their question answers, right?
સર મેં પહેલા કહી દીધું મને મોઢે આવડે
પેલા મેં કીધું
It's okay. There is no need to argue.
પહેલા મેં
Who said it first? I told you not to say it on the call. Now we will do the. I will do the answers here. You can check whether your answers is correct. Answers are correct or not. If we place the value of n is equals to 5, we get 4. In place of n, it's 5 plus 1. 20
4
plus
5
1.
20 plus 1 21
In the second thing, we write n is equals to
4 10s are 14
4 multiplied by 10 plus 1. We
41
get 40 plus 1.
41
Who is it? Can you turn off your mic?
મેઘાણી મોહમ્મદ રઝા
We get 41. The third part is 4
400
and we write 100 here plus 1. That is 4 into 100. 400 plus 1 is equals to 401. So this is your answers for. Does anyone has any doubt in it?
નો
No.
સર easy.
No doubt.
Do you know how we find it? How to find the answers?
Yes.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
Yes.
Now we will do one more question.
Okay. Okay.
સર હું કરવાનું છે હવે?
સમજવાનું છે
We'll do the question, and the question is 7n plus 20. And in place of n, you have to write 5, 10, and 100 once again.
તમે કરીએ
Right.
સર ટ્વેન્ટી છે ને 7 n plus 20 છે ને
Yes, 7n plus 20.
સર આન્સર મળી ગયો.
સર આન્સર ગોટ ઇટ મળી ગયા.
Okay, all those who got the answer, please keep your answer with you. Don't say the answer on the call. I'm repeating it. Let the others also practice these sums.
ઓકે સર.
Okay, I'll do the first part here. If we place n is equals to 5, then the answer would be 7. In place of n, we will write 5 plus 20.
સર
7
55.
5 is 35 plus 20, we get 55. Anyone has any doubt in it?
નો.
ના.
Okay, second part is n is equals to 10. Now again, 7 multiplied by 10 plus 20.
80 90.
સર 90
That is
90.
70 plus 20. We got
90.
we get 90.
900.
Beta 90.
સર
70
90
plus 90.
ત્રીજામાં 900. ત્રીજામાં 900.
No, I told you.
720 આવે. સર
I told
720.
you to keep your answers with you. Don't shout here your answers. Let others understand it. And the third part is n is equals to 100. We have to put the value of n 100. So we get 7 multiplied by 100 plus 20. That is 700
20 સર 720.
plus 20. We get 720. So these are the three answers.
સર મારું સાચું પડ્યું.
મારું છે.
Okay, it's good if you get the correct answer. Let's try one more sum. The next part is n square plus 1. Again, you have to put the value of n is equals to 5, 10, 100. Do it.
સર આ N2 છે કે N2?
ક્વેશ્ચન.
That is n square, power.
ખાલી
સર N2 એટલે ઓલો N દીધો એને ડબલ કરવાના ને.
Multiplying the same number 2 times. That is square. For example, if it's
ખાલી n સ્ક્વેર છે કે આ
if it's
નંબર
5
છે.
square, no numbers before it. If it is 5 square, the answer would be 25. So it's multiplying the same number 2 times if it's square.
સર આન્સર થઈ ગયો.
Okay.
પહેલામાં 25.
Again, I am telling you, please don't say your answers on the call. I will do the sums here. You can check.
ઓકે.
Okay, I think most of you got the answers. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
do it for you. Now, first we will write n is equals to first expression, first value would be 5. So in place of n, we will write 5 in this expression. So 5 square plus
25.
1. 5 square is 25 plus 1 is equals to 26. This one was the first one. Now we'll do the second one. n is equals to 10. Now again, 10 square,
301.
100, 10 square is 100 plus 1, we get
101.
101. Now the third one is 100. So n is equals to 100. We write 100 square plus 1. We get 100 square is 100 multiplied by 100 plus 1. So 100 multiplied by 100 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 1. And that would be 10,001.
સર 12 વાગો આયા.
I know.
સર 12 વાગવા આયા હજી 12 વાગ્યા 5 મિનિટ ની વાર છે.
Have you understood this one?
5 મિનિટ ભણવા માંગુ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That square means you have to multiply the same number 2 times. If it is cube, you have to multiply the same number 3 times. If it is power 4, you have to multiply the same number 4 times. So it depends upon the power, the number that is there, you have to multiply the same number that many times.
ઓકે સર.
Now, before we wrap up for the day, is there anyone who has any doubt in this, what we did today?
No.
No.
No, sir. No.
So the first thing, let's revise, quickly revise. We use the expression 2n minus 1 and we use the value, n values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we did the calculation and we found that if we place 1, we get answer 1. If we place 2, we get answer 3. If we place 3, so this is a pattern. There is a gap of 2. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And the next answer would be 11. And after that, it would be 13 and so on. The second question that we did was putting the same value of n is equals to 10 and n is equals to 100 in that expression 2n minus 1. We got 19 and 199 respectively. And we placed n is equals to 1000 in the same question 2n minus 1. So we got the same answer 1999. Just, it is very simple. Just place the value of n that is given and do the calculation. The next question that we did was 3n plus 2, and we tried to find out the answers by placing the value of n is equals to 5, 10 and 100. We got the answers respectively 17, 32 and 302. This is how we did the calculation by placing the value of 5. We got 17. By placing the value of n is equals to 10, we got 32. And by placing the value of n is equals to 100, we got 302. And the next question was 4n plus 1. Now 4n plus 1, we place the value of n, again the same values 5, 10 and 100. And we got the answers 21, 41 and 401. It was the same expression, same method. Sorry, expression was different, methods were same. And the last question that we did was n square plus 1. Now square is a different, it would be different method would be same, but the answers would be different. Now n, 5, we placed 5, so answer is 25. We multiplied 5 multiplied by 5, we got 25, plus 1, we got 26. And we placed 10 multiplied by 10 is 100, we got 101. And we placed 100, we got 100 multiplied by 100, we got 10,000 plus 1, we got 10,001. Anyone has any doubt in it?
એની જગ્યાએ ગમે આવી ગયા.
Eh?
એની
Can you
જગ્યાએ
repeat?
ગમે આવી ગયા.
Yes. N, in place of n, you can write 1, 2, 3, any number, any natural, any number you can write minus 1, minus 5, whatever. But you need to do the calculation by putting it in the same expression. You can put any value in place of n.
ક્વેશ્ચનમાં એની વેલ્યુ આપેલી હોય ને
Yes, you will be given the value of n. You have to
સર
find the
12
answer.
વાગી ગયા.
I know. Does anyone has any doubt in it?
1 મિનિટની વાત છે.
નો ડાઉટ.
No, no.
નો doubt.
With this, we end today's session.
Third time up.
Okay, try practicing
time is
exercise
up.
12.2, and if you have any doubt, we can solve it later. Thank
Okay,
you,
sir.
all of you.
Okay,
You can
thank
log
you.
out now.
ખુદાફિઝ.
The office.
Bye, sir. Bye.
Bye, all of you. You can log out now.
બાય 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 બાય.
Bye, 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 bye.
I told you, you can log out now, all of you.